his configurations to gain a much deeper understanding of how his body, his form, his brain is designed to interact and digest its environment, because when those things are in the proper alignment, learning just happens. His body is digesting, it's learning, it's taking things in, it's processing, it's understanding, it's making sense of things, and it's just happening. It's happening at a rate much faster and much more efficient than when, a body is in an environment that they feel stressed or anxious or any of those things, right? These are obvious things. These aren't this isn't radically new things. These are obvious. When somebody's in the correct environment, when they feel good, right? When they feel in the right environment, it's just easier to do things, right? And so let's just take a look at this. So his environment here is kitchen's dry, and you're also kind of gonna see here a video and I'll kind of take you on a tour here as we go through, and as I'm constructing and modifying our apartment, part of our apartment, literally our kitchen, and into the kind of the front space of our apartment here, and modifying this into a kitchens-based learning homeschool environment that best suits him specifically, right? And so yes, his environment, natural environment, is called kitchens. That's a word that is used to describe certain characteristics, certain conditions in the environment, both internally and then externally, right? And so we're going to look at some of those and what that means to be dry. So this is the first thing to understand when I look at his environment. Kitchen's dry. Kitchen's is a third color, and I'm not going to spend any time going all the way back on any of this stuff. My job is not to teach anybody human design. I use human design as a very precise language, a detailed, logical, precise language to describe real life things to people. I describe characteristics of people, how they operate, who they are at a deep, deep, deep level. So it's a language. And so anyway, kitchens. It's a third color. Basically, this means he needs to be in an environment that is all about transformation, is all about, think of what a kitchen is. Think of evolutionarily what happened, right? Cavemen, right? We come out of here. What happens when we're hunter-gatherers, we're eating raw things, right? What happens when we first found fire? We were able to use heat and transform the material. We transformed our food. We transformed material. We learned how to make new things and transform and learn about the material, learn about the environment around us with a tool.